Okay, students, turn on your camera so that we can see each other. Can you hear me? Hello, student, can you hear me? Hello, I'm audible? Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. आवाज क्लिअर आहे की काय कटत आहे?
कटत आहे.
Okay, there may be due to network problem. Okay, in your syllabus there are 6 chapters, out of 2 has been completed by Dr. Sharma madam, and I will introduce chapter number 3 and chapter number 4, that is linear simple harmonic motion and the superposition of two simple harmonic motion. Actually, you have gone through this chapter at the 12th level. Okay. आप सभी को ये चैप्टर 12th लेवल पे थे, राइट? आवाज येतोय माझा?
येस. येस मॅम.
ओके. हे तुम्हाला चॅप्टर 12वीला झालेले आहेत, दोन्ही पण चॅप्टर, लिनियर सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन, अँग्युलर simple harmonic motion, then differential equation, then the superposition of two simple harmonic motion. So that is the syllabus which you have already covered in 12th class. Okay. So these are the basic chapters on which the remaining syllabus of BSc second year and third year is based. So first, we will discuss what is meant by the oscillation. Okay, can you tell me what is meant by the oscillation? Yes, anyone? You have already familiar with this term. What is meant by the, okay, what is meant by the motion? What is by the motion? Define motion. आवाज सर्वांना. जर आवाज येत असेल चॅट मध्ये टाका, आवाज येत नाही म्हणून.
मॅम आवाज अटकतोय तुमचा.
आवाज अटकतो आहे. हा, थोडा याच्यामध्ये नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आहे. एक मिनिट. आता येतो क्लिअर? आवाज येतोय का सर्वांना?
हा मॅम.
Okay, tell me the definition of motion. Simple definition of motion. What is the definition of motion? No one can understand the definition of motion. Actually, it is the basic definition.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Vaishnavi?
mo- the movement of body from one place
Yes,
to another.
yes. We can call if one particle or any body which transfer from one place to the another place, then we can call it is in moving position, or and the phenomena we call it as a motion, right? And there are different types of motion: linear motion, angular motion, rotational motion, right? So these are the different parts of the motion. Means one body, if it changes position with respect to time, then we call it is in a motion. And there are different rules given by the Newton for this motion, that Newton's law of motion, right? Everyone should know about the Newton's three laws of motion. Which laws are there? Anyone? Newton's three laws of motion. Can anyone define? How many laws are there in the motion of particles? Can you hear me, student?
मॅम आवाज नाही येत आहे.
हॅलो. हा, थोडा प्रॉब्लेम आहे, मी कनेक्ट करते आहे. आपण सध्या बेसिकच घेणार आहे. उद्यापासून आपण रेग्युलर क्लासेस चालू करू. व्हॉट इज बाय द मोशन, व्हॉट इज बाय द लिनियर मोशन, सर्क्युलर मोशन. विल डिस्कस these basic definitions today. Okay. Okay, can you hear me? Hello. Hello students, can you hear me now?
आवाज नहीं आता है मैम.
येतोय आवाज? आवाज येतोय? हॅलो, आवाज येतोय का? हॅलो.
No, ma'am.
नाही येत मॅम.
आवाज नाही होत आहे?
नाही.
आता बघा. आता येतो? Hello. Can you hear me now? Hello, students. आता आवाज येतो का बघा? आवाज येतोय का सर्वांना? हॅलो. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आवाज क्लिअर आहे ना आता?
Oh,
Okay. So at the 12th layer we have already known the definition, what is by the motion, what is by the circular motion, then rotational motion and the oscillation. Okay. So what is meant by the linear motion? Can anyone define what is meant by the linear motion? Yes, anyone? What is meant by the linear motion?
The movement of particle in straight line.
Yes, the moment of particle in a straight line. Then we call it as a linear motion. What about the circular motion? What is meant by the circular motion? Yes, anyone?
The motion of the particle along circumference of the circle.
Yes. If the particle moves along the circumference of the circle, then we call it as a circular motion. Then rotational motion. What is the rotational motion? Rotational motion. Yes. Yes. What is meant by the rotational motion? Anyone?
Rotational motion is defined as the motion of an object around circular path in a fixed orbit.
That is circular motion. What is rotational? If it moves in a fixed path around the circumference, then it is called as a circular motion. What is the difference between circular and rotational motion? Is it circular motion is nothing but the rotational motion? Is there any difference between the rotational motion and the circular motion? Is there any difference? Yes, anyone? If body moves along its own axis, then we call it as a rotational motion. And if body moves along the circumference of a circle in a particular fixed path, then we call it as a circular motion. That is the difference between circular motion and the rotational motion. Okay. Right? Is it okay? Can you hear me? हॅलो, आवाज येतोय का माझा? आवाज येतोय? आवाज येतोय का माझा?
Yes, ma'am.
बघा, रोटेशनल मोशन आणि सर्क्युलर मोशन मधला फरक समजलाय सर्वांना? Then third motion, it is the periodic motion. So what is the periodic motion? Yes, what is the periodic motion? Anyone? We already have discussed at 12th level what is the periodic motion. Hello. माझा आवाज येतोय का क्लिअर सर्वांना की काय मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम येतो ऐकायला नाही त्या क्वेश्चन? हॅलो. किती वाजता नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कितीला आहे तुमचं? नेक्स्ट लेक्चर किती वाजता आहे तुमचं?
2:55.
ओके. आवाज येतो आहे का माझा? की बरेच जण लेट होतात आहे. 15 जणांमध्ये 10 जण राहिलेले आहेत. ओके. उद्या 11 वाजता आपलं लेक्चर आहे. 7:11 जॉईन करा. बघा आज आवाजामुळे थोडा प्रॉब्लेम येतो आहे आणि ढगाळ वातावरणामध्ये नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आहे. तर उद्या yes, motion repeated in equal interval of time is called as the periodic motion. Good, Shruti Thakur. Yes, that is called as the periodic motion. Okay. Then if that periodic motion is maybe linear motion, it may be circular motion, and it may be the rotational motion. After an equal interval of time, if that motions are repeated, it may be linear, it may be circular, or it may be rotational motion, then that motion is called as the periodic motion. Is it okay? आवाज येतोय सर्वांना माझा? हॅलो. ओके. हॅलो. आवाज येतोय का? जेवढे राहिलेले आहेत त्यांना आवाज येतोय का माझा? हॅलो. हॅलो. आवाज येतोय का कोणाला माझा?
Yes, ma'am.
उद्या आपण बरोबर 11:20 लेक्चर चालू करू. ठीक आहे. आज
ma'am.
नेटवर्किंग मुळे कोणाला ऐकायला नसेल आणि खूप कमी जण याच्यामध्ये जॉईन झालेले आहेत. ठीक आहे.
Okay, ma'am.
हां. आता लेफ्ट करून द्याल सर्वजण.